What's up, everyone? It is a beautiful morning. I am wearing a hoodie, which means the weather is finally cooled down.
Oh, sweater weather. Sweater weather. Sweater weather. Oh, God, I would. Finally, sweater weather.
I'm sure by lunchtime the hoodie will be gone. But for this morning, I am enjoying the nice crisp weather. We've got some fun things to plan today. But of course, first we've got to feed everybody. But the goal for today is to cook dessert and dinner in our Sunoven. This past week we cleaned out the garage and kind of forgot we had it. We bought it years ago. If you've been around for a while, back when we lived in North Carolina, we did a few videos using it. Hi, Snow. Hi, good morning. But we never got a chance to use it when we lived in Washington, and we kind of just forgot about it since we've been here. So we figured today it's going to be a sunny day. It's not going to be super hot, so it'd be a good day to pull out the Sunoven and do some cooking and that. But first, let's get some chores done.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh.
Alright, y'all. So Jesse is out preheating the Sunoven. So while he is doing that, I'm going to just transfer my cookie dough that is still very cold into this baking sheet. It's not going to be individual cookies. We're actually just going to do one big cookie cake because I don't have a baking sheet right now that will actually fit in the Sunoven. They do make a rack that you can buy, and you can put, I think, 3 stacks of whatever you're baking on it and put that in the Sunoven. I haven't gotten around to ordering it yet, so we're improvising because we want cookies. So we're gonna make the dessert first, and then after these are done baking, because they take the least amount of time, we will start on our dinner.
These friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing.
Alright, so right now the temperature outside is 72 degrees. I think that's actually going to be our high for today, which is kind of nice. Yep, the highest we'll get right today is 75. Jesse just put the Sunoven out, and we're at, oh, it's bright.
125.
We're at about 125 degrees, and you literally put this out, what, 5 minutes ago?
Yeah.
So it heats up pretty quickly. So we're going to let it heat up just a little bit more, and then we're going to put our cookies in. Alright, so we're sitting at about just over 200 degrees. So we're going to go ahead and pop the cookies into the Sunoven. And we're going to bake them for probably 15-20 minutes, and we'll check on them while it's baking. Careful, it's hot.
Yes, it is.
This is where my heart is.
Alright, y'all, so while our cookies are baking, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready for dinner. In here I've just got some boneless, skinless chicken breast. You can use whatever part of the chicken you want to use. I do recommend it being boneless and skinless though. And then I'm going to add in some chopped onion, some jalapeno, and of course some minced garlic. And then I'm also going to add in some diced green chilies, as well as some white beans. I am using, what kind am I using? Northern is what I'm using, but you can use any type of white bean. And then on top of that, I'm going to add in my chicken broth. And I'm going to dump in some cumin, black pepper, salt, and oregano. And then I'm just going to give this kind of a quick stir. And I'm going to put the lid on and we're going to head up to the Sunoven. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes and I think our cookies are just about done. You want to pull them out?
I'll give them a shot.
Be careful, it's hot. Definitely want to use oven mitts.
Oh, you smell that?
Oh, smell-o-vision, we need it. Right now the inside is what, about 310?
Yeah. Oh man.
Yep, I say those are done. Don't touch it, it's hot. So now we've got our dessert. Now we gotta make the dinner, I guess. Or we could just eat cookies for dinner. What do you think? Can we eat cookies for dinner?
Yes.
That's socially acceptable. No, we probably should make something for dinner.
No, we're adults.
Yeah, but we have children. They have to eat healthy. We don't. Alrighty. So, let's get this opened up. Hopefully I don't burn myself because I forgot to take oven mitts out here with me. Okay. In there. And close her up. Alright. Alright, so I'm just going to let this cook now for the rest of the day. I'll come out occasionally, give it a stir, and then rotate the solar oven as needed towards the sun as it moves, and hopefully by dinner time we'll have a nice delicious white chicken chili. Oh, I can't wait. Alright y'all, so it's been about 2 hours since we put the white chicken chili into the solar oven, so let's go and check. Alright, the temp in there is about 350-ish. And she's warm. Oh, it smells good. Now, smart. I remember to bring out an oven mitt. Chicken's getting nice and cooked in there. Oh, it smells so good. So we're just gonna leave that alone and let it continue to do its thing. Woo, without making a mess. Alright, so it's almost dinner time, so I think we're gonna go ahead and pull her out. I can smell it already without you even opening the lid. It smells delicious. But we're gonna pull it out so we can take it inside and shred up the chicken and get ready for dinner. Don't burn yourself.
Oh, that smells so good. Oh yeah.
Careful. Alright, into the house. Alright, so we do have a little bit of sun left. So we're gonna throw some cornbread in there because who doesn't eat chili without cornbread? Ugh, it's shiny and bright. Careful. Alright, and we'll be back in about 30 minutes and hopefully our cornbread will be nice and cooked up by then. Nice and shredded. I'm going to add in some corn. I didn't put it in at the beginning because I find that it gets mushy if you leave the corn in there from the beginning, so I like to put it in at the end. And because I did this in a Dutch oven, it's going to retain its heat and just heat up that corn. And then it'll be time to eat. Alright y'all, so dinner is officially ready. So I'm just gonna put some avocado on top of mine and a little bit of cilantro. And of course, finish it off with a piece of cornbread because cornbread and chili is just perfect for fall. And then of course, finally, we did the chores. Now it's time for some dessert. So we're going to go ahead and have our chocolate chip cookie bars that we made in the Sunoven this morning. And because we're extra, we're gonna go ahead and add some ice cream.
Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly.
So now we're gonna enjoy our dessert and then probably go into a sugar coma.